This DEWALT shop vac has been working really great for me. It's perfect for HVAC and for clearing out your HVAC and air conditioning drainage lines, the condensation lines. It'll clear out just about anything that gets in there. It's also perfect for cleaning out the evaporator coils, and just has tons of different usages. I clean up my house with it and my car. It's very portable, very light. You know, I mean, pretty darn light for what it does. So yeah, it's been very happy with this product. Works extremely well.